sinabihan ako ni Mister na dapat paghanap ka ng bata kasi hindi daw kami yung edad daw namin malayo daw sa isa't isa. Kaya hello guys, mulakaw na sadme kasi yung kahapon na namin, yung gilakaw na mo gahapon wala na dayon tungod kay nagpa-appointment pa si Mister. So yun, wala pa'y dahon gyud daw, apay dahon mga kahoy, mga prutas, dami mga prutasan dire oh. So yun, look at that. At ang ginaw, maginaw man eh. Wait. So, ang plano ni Mister, of course you do this way. Mag-carwash muna kami, no? Kasi libre man. Ang carwash namin kasi na meron kami, yung pa-carwash kasi namin, magbayad kami monthly para sa sakyan na ito. And then, ang dumi na nito ba? Ngayon guys, is a Valentine's Day. Yes, Valentine's Day. Late na ninyo ito nakita. So, meron sana akong imit ngayon ba? Kaso, nakalimutan ko Valentine's Day ngayon. Akala ko, iwan ko, wala sa isip ko ba. Alam kong ba yung Valentine's Day, pero nawala sa isip ko kung anong araw. So, kinancel ko yung imimit ko sana. And then, pagkatapos nun, sabi ko sa kanya, wala mang wala mang trabaho si Mister. Wala mang trabaho si Mister. So, of course, spend time ako sa kanya. And then, humana daw siya sa iyahang buhaton guys, nanigarilyo na naman. So, free to do how do you call that? Notary sa town. Watch out. So, free pala. So, which is good. There's another car. Bana na naman nato ang atong bana. Yeah, na one wheel. Put it back. There's a lot in there. Ayaw niya yung cart. Higit ni mahimutang akong bana. Hindi mapalagay. Kailangan talaga niyang magbili-bili. Watch out, hon.
God would just let me do it. Seriously?
Yun, nakikita nyo na, masaya yun siya guys. Pabayaan lang natin para man din sa mga anak niya. Pero ang dami niyang binili, yung mga aso, extra food. And then, nagpunta na naman kami sa pusa, bumalik siya sa pusa. So yun guys, and tinitingnan niya ng maigi yung mga sulat dyan kasi parang hindi na niya makikita yung mga litereng, ginoo ko. Ako naman, naglalaro ako nito pero ang isip ko nasa iba. Kaya pinakita ko kay Tami kasi parang kakaiba talaga. Parang itlog man ito. Ang daming clearance.
So, if you walk straight that way, the clothes that are hanging on that wall, they normally put like right on those sides.
Ulit nami guys. Push the car. Can you find it? Hi guys. So, uwi na kami. Let's go home na. A lot of people asking, honey. It's not a lot. It's few of them asking na how old we were then when we first meet, when we first
How old were you when we first met?
Yeah, you too.
You were what, 23?
Oh wow, 23. I was 24. Look, he doesn't even remember.
I think 23.
I don't know now. I was 24, Tommy was 48, and so yun yung una naming kita talaga, first ever meeting, hanggang tumanda na kami. Ngayon, we are kind of old na. I am 39 and he is 23.
I'm aging backwards.
He is 63. Yes, mga bata pa kami nung nagkita kami talaga. So malakas pa. So malakas pa si Inday Mirian at saka si Dudong Tami. We're so strong. ang reaction ni
We're so strong? It's a body odor or what?
we were so strong then. When I was young, I really thought hindi talaga ako aabot sa ganito.
You'll be young forever.
Yeah, I really thought na hindi ako aabot sa ganito na yung parang masakit na yung paa, masakit na yung likod, kaso-kasuan, lahat masakit na kasi na. Hi. So, yun lang yun. So, nagtatanong, yun. Yun yung edad namin. Nung nakita talaga kami, guys, ang akala ko talaga na meron akong na-meet na celebrity. Kasi, magwapo talaga itong si Tami. Alam nyo naman, kapag magkaedad na tayo, magbago yung mukha natin, no? Pero nung nakita ko talaga siya, yung mga bata-bata pa siya, sarap yan halik-halikan. Sus, binuo ko. Halikan daw, guys. Halikan. 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 So, ngayon, tapos na kaming nag-grocery and masaya na siya. What happened? Masaya na siya dahil nakapag-grocery na siya, no? So, when you first meet me, Han, what do you think, honey? Can you tell me again?
You're way too young.
So, I'm way too young. Bata pa daw talaga ako, guys. And what do you think? What do you like first thing? Like, this is a wrong move. Huh? Is that what you really did? See?
I told you need to find somebody young.
You really think it was a wrong move?
I thought you should have been with somebody younger.
Alam nyo, guys, sinabihan ako nito pag nung nagkita kami, and then sinabihan niya ako na, well, sa email pa lang namin, sa tawag-tawag, sabi pa niya, bata pa daw talaga ako. So, nung nagpunta na ako dito, sinabihan ako na dapat maghanap daw ako ng bata. You know? Sinabihan ako ni Mister na dapat maghanap ka ng bata kasi hindi daw kami yung edad daw namin malayo daw sa isa't isa. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya na bakit naman maghanap ako ng iba na andito na sa harap ko yung sobrang bait. You know, na makikita kasi sa tao, guys, na mabait sa mga days na makasama mo siya, sa isang buwan makasama mo siya, makikita mo talaga yung kabaitan niya. So when I decided not to leave you, find another younger man, what do you think?
I talked you out of it.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Huh?
I tried to tell you I'm pretty young.
But I don't want to.
You kept telling me that.
But you still love me?
Yes, but you should be with somebody younger.
Why? The age doesn't matter, hon.
That's not really true.
Seriously, honey, but look, we are together for 15 years. Huh?
I'm aware of that.
We're together for 15 years. You think we survive? I'm a survivor. You're
No,
my
we survived.
provider.
I got a few bruises, but
Han, seriously, no. Then like, Ay, nako, Han, you are the one who brutally. Yeah.
I got bruises, guys. Bruises.
Bruises where?
All over.
And you give me bruises in my neck. Nahiya na yan si Tami, guys. You give me bruises in the neck. Nahiya na yan, guys. Nahiya. Mahiyain man yan basta mga na yung pag-usapan, guys. Mga gano'n na yung pag-usapan. Mamulay yan, guys. Mamulay. Hindi yan kayanin. So, kaya yung mga ganong mga usapan, avoid ako sa kanya. Yung parang pag may tao, lalo na pag may tao. Pero pag kami lang dalawa, sanay na siya sa akin na ako talaga, loka-loka yung bang. Sanay na talaga siya sa akin na ganyan, ganito ako talaga. Hindi na yan magbabago pa. I love you. Pauwi na kami sa aming mansion. We're heading to our mansion, love, right? Mansion na may mall. Yeah, it's a sunny day. Oh, guys, meron akong sasabihin. It's winter, guys. But my God, tomorrow's temperature, what?
63.
63, guys. I'm telling you, guys, I'm gonna start working in our yard. I'm gonna start working. I'm going to start trimming the tree. Tomorrow talaga, guys. That's my thing. What is tomorrow, Han? Are you
Wednesday.
working? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to start trimming, cutting some bushes sa harap ng bahay namin. Ay nako, talagang spring na gid ito. Hala, this for sale. Ay, wag. Huwag kalimutan ang biko. Biko mo diha. Tami. Tami moy. Bibi. Tami moy. Alam niyo, kung wala si Tami, wala po akong rice. Kasi siya yung taga-bili ng aking rice. Siya lang talaga. So, kung ako lang, wala talagang rice din.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
Happy araw ng mga puso. Sit.
I don't even know what that says. I run on the puzzles.
Pusos puso.
Puzzle.